rules are simple. You have 36 hours to make a decision that will change your life.
Tired of low-quality carpentry? Carpenters is Singapore's leading interior design firm, and you can be assured that we use high-quality carpentry and materials for renovation. What's more, if you're looking for renovation deals now, then you're in luck. Our annual Event 7 is back, and it's bigger than ever. For a limited time only, enjoy these exclusive deals and bundles when you sign up with us. Choose one of these 7 free prizes. Enjoy door gifts from our esteemed suppliers. Make an appointment today on our website, or you can WhatsApp this number. See you there.